We go hard. Deep in, you know me, boo. Smoke with the lyrics too. I know that I'm on top of my game. Sipping in the and let the rhythm shoot the moment, and I know soon you call out my name. Like a freak in the bed on the beat of my head. Blessed, we go far. Deeper than you ever got. On the mic, I keep it hot. As for me,
you said we're in this for the long run. And now you're sweating me, I'm pleasantly having spy cams in my bedroom, be investigating how I suck some I can leave you brand and see the mixing of the
organized outing for first years, but even the senior students like so we silingile Cape Campus by figure then so gala itoyethu.
Just not being stuck in Belleville campus. It's beautiful. I'm enjoying myself.
2 runs at the same time here.
It's the Freshers Tour, the 2012 Freshers Tour, but then we're not Freshers. It's quite nice. It's also like it's oh good. It's for sure. It's for sure. It's nice. It's very
say about Christmas talk? Are you fresh?
What's up? Yes, we are. We are. Like, I told you.
Everybody's here. We're chilled. The food is here. The cheeks are here. Everything is here.
It's so good. I'm dead tonight. I'm dead tonight. The gloss is bad. The gloss is bad.
I want to say thank you to the Arsenal, whatever. As I see you guys have been doing good, okay? I'm too good. Easy.